For the money, you won't find a better looking, more dependable mid-size SUV anywhere but here at Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. This is Jeff, and today I'd like to show you this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox RS. Your RS is your sporty model. This thing is absolutely beautiful, and it's even loaded with the safety and infotainment packages. Around back, rear park assist sensors, lots and lots of cargo room, power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler, RS badge on the tailgate. Gorgeous 19-inch argent colored wheels with a great set of Hankook tires. More than enough room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to rear heating and air vents, dual USB charging ports, and a 110 outlet down below. It's mosaic black metallic with jet black interior with contrasting red stitching. It's absolutely beautiful. Factory roof rack, color key door handles, color key mirror caps with LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights, headlights, front park assist. It's equipped with passive keyless entry, bucket seats, power seat, power tailgate controls, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Blind spot monitor located in your rearview mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, audio controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, lane keep, Bluetooth, and trip computer functions. Only 21,000 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera with that really nice surround vision monitor. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger. More USB ports, an auxiliary audio jack, a 12-volt outlet, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including remote start, tailgate release, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and OnStar located overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox RS, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.